So at Skyportz, we're already working with major property players, logistics companies, freight companies, all of whom are excited about the potential for creating a whole new system of moving goods and people by air in a fast, efficient and affordable manner. We've been working at this for a while now and our strategy seems to be working. We were recently approached by Electra Aero, an aircraft designer from the United States that liked the strategy that we were pursuing of creating infrastructure across the country. They're interested in bringing their aircraft to Australia and we're interested in assisting them to get certified and start operating commercially between our sites. Electra Aero is a very exciting aircraft. It's raised significant funds and it's working with the support of NASA and the US military at the moment in developing their aircraft. So we have great faith that Electra Aero will be a fantastic partner moving forward.